Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: a charged phone, internet, and the Google or Samsung account that was used on the device. Once done, attempt the built-in unlock fallback. Deliberately fail the pattern until the forgot pattern, or try again in 30 seconds prompt appears. Then follow on-screen steps to sign in. If that option is missing, move straight to remote tools like Find My Device or Boot to Recovery. Make sure you have account sign in details ready before resetting. Once you opt for remote recovery, sign in to Find My Device on another phone or PC and choose the target device. Use lock or erase to remove the pattern. Erase performs factory reset. If it's a Samsung, sign in to Find My Mobile and try unlock first. It can remove locks without wiping. If remote tools aren't possible, power off and use the phone's recovery button combo to enter recovery mode. Navigate to wipe data/factory reset, confirm, and wait for the process to finish. After the reset completes, reboot and proceed through Android setup. You must sign in with the same Google account that was on the device before the reset due to factory reset protection. If you can't recall that account, try account recovery at Google, or on Samsung use Find My Mobile to relink. If FRP still blocks you, contact the device manufacturer or an authorized service center with proof of purchase. This is the key troubleshooting step most users need when remote or account recovery fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.